coast.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you a theme party that I did. It is a Candyland theme. I'm going to show you guys the party and everything put together. So let's go into this Candyland. Hey guys, so I'm going to start by showing you how everything looked and how everything was decorated all together once everything is up and decorated. And here we have a close-up of the ceiling. We just did colorful streamers, pink, green, blue, and each of the tables have their own color. This one's green and it has the centerpiece. We have a gumball machine with candies all along it, and we did do the centerpieces ourselves. I have a purple table, a blue table, and a pink table as well. Now, we decided that we were just going to incorporate these colors to make it as colorful as possible. Here we have the candy table with the candy bags and this little sign that says when the candy table is open. And on this side we have ring pops in the pink container, and here is how the bottom of the table cover looks like. It's just full of candies and cupcakes and treats. So this is another one of the centerpieces that we put on the blue table as well as the pink table. It just says happy birthday, and we also have these wine glasses with purple bows on them. And here we have the happy birthday rose gold banner with candies on the sides. They're just really cute. I really enjoyed the setup here. I feel like the rose gold banner did pop, and I also decided to put happy birthday cupcakes on the sides, and these are the plates that we used. And this is the green container full of colorful gummy bears with the little blue spoon, and on this one we have gumballs with a pink spoon, and it says Lizette's Sweet Shop. And here we have another centerpiece with the gumball machine and the candies on top with the number 21. This is a super cute wrapper that I decided to wrap my sister's gifts with. It's just full of candies, and here we have the super cute candy lollipops. Now, this is my favorite decoration. It's so colorful and so cute. This is a DIY photo backdrop that I did, and I just added this really cute garland. It has the colorful candy lollipops and little candies and cupcakes, and I just put it on the top of the backdrop so it adds a cute little twist. And we have blue, pink, and green streamer, and this is how it looks like when you take a picture. Super cute and colorful. On the side of the photo booth backdrop, we have this happy birthday balloon. It's so big and so cute. I loved it. It's from Party City, and the little tassel at the bottom, it was my favorite. I also added these to the ceiling and some pink balloons along to add a cute touch. I also added this happy birthday sign and this lollipop that I DIY'd, and this gummy bear and this candy. Now here's the super colorful cute cake. It just has all the colors, and I placed candies on top of it with the gummy bears and lollipops, and painted the 21 because I couldn't find the right color candles, so I just decided to add my own twist. Now here's an overall look at the main table with the candy, the cake, the happy birthday rose gold banner, and everything put together. My mom also made these really cute, yummy jellos, and decorated them with lollipops, and it's just really cute and colorful. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Past 4:02, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Dealing with the influence of you, lingering on sheets I held you to, 'cause any other night.
Feliz, así que arriba, al frente, al fondo, salud.